Would you like to learn how to earn thousands of pounds in tax-free cash? Well, stay tuned. Welcome to Rich Money Tips, where we're going to show you how to earn thousands of tax-free cash through a process called matched betting. Now wait, hold on. I can assure you it's not gambling. Now, match betting can provide very systematic profits by taking advantage of offers to us through bookmakers. Before we go into detail, let's take a look at a quick graph. This is from Google Trends, okay, and as we can see, from 2004 to now, we can see a rise in popularity of match betting as a search term. Okay, it's risen very well over the last few years. It's actually very popular and lots of people do it. So what is match betting? Match betting is where we place bets on events, football, horses, and we match them to cover all outcomes. And these guaranteed outcomes mean we can guarantee profits from whatever happens. Let's take an example. Let's say England are playing, and we bet £5 on England to win. If they win, we win £5 times whatever the odds are. If they lose, then we lose our £5. Now this is what's called betting, gambling. Okay, so what we do to match our bet, we match it on the other side and we bet £5 on England not to win. So if they win, we don't actually lose anything. Okay, and if they lose, we actually lose nothing either. Now I know what you're saying, what's the point? We didn't win anything, we didn't lose anything. Now as new customers for all the bookmakers, we qualify for something that's called welcome offers. This is where we make our first profits as a matched bettor. This could be an offer such as bet £5 and they'll give us £20 in free bets. So we place that £5 like earlier and we make a zero profit or loss. However, this qualifies us for unlocking £20 in free bets, which you can think of as their money to encourage us to bet. Now we can't withdraw this £20 in cash, unfortunately. However, we use it to guarantee our profits. Now, just like before, we cover all outcomes of an event, which means we can lock in our profits. Now, what does a £20 in free bets mean as profits? We can make about 80% of profit from every free bet. So £20 is worth about £16 in actual cash profit that we can withdraw. And it's as simple as that. And we repeat it over and over again, weekly, monthly, yearly. Know what you're thinking? I can't be a new customer all the time, so how can I make these regular profits? Well, this is from regular offers. Now the bookmakers like to encourage you to continue to bet, and to do this they entice you in with offers. This is how we can make weekly and monthly profits from all the different bookmakers in the UK. Now, where do I find these offers, you might ask? Now, you could simply log into each site, have a look, see what offers are on every day, but it will cost you time. Okay, time is sometimes money. So you could use a dedicated match betting service. This is what I use, what I recommend. And it's a small monthly fee out of the profits, but it saves you a lot of time. It has everything you need, from the best offers to do. It has specific calculators to calculate the odds and profits, forums and chat, and lots more. Now, yes, it's not necessary at all, but it's very helpful and can help you get started. Now, they do offer a free trial. There's a link in the description below if you'd like to check it out. No obligation at all. So, in quick summary today, this is what we've learned. We've learned that we can place a bet to qualify for a free bet. We use then that free bet to extract cash profits. But you might say, I don't know how to place a bet. I don't know what the odds are. I don't want to gamble. How do I do it? What do I do next? Now don't worry, we have you covered here, we have your back. There's going to be video and tutorials on how to exactly do everything you need to do to become a profitable matched bettor long term. Now who can do this? Well, you'd be surprised, anyone can, as long as you're over 18. You don't need to be a sports guru, you don't need to be a maths wizard with numbers. Anyone can do it. So if you want to earn some extra money, what are you waiting for? Ask yourself, are you ready to make some tax-free cash? If you found value in the video, please drop a like, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you get our next videos, how we're going to help you become a profitable matched bettor. And also check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time.